Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the device off to avoid shorts and remove a battery if the model allows. Safety first. Once done, use a bright light and magnifier to inspect the earphone hole for lint, dust, or corrosion so you know what you're removing. Make sure to have a wooden toothpick, a can of compressed air, a cotton swab, and 90% isopropyl alcohol at hand. These let you clean without damaging contacts or interior components. Now you clear debris methodically. Blow short, controlled bursts of compressed air into the port at an angle to lift loose particles. Do not blast continuously, which forces debris deeper. Next, gently dislodge remaining lint or fibers with a wooden toothpick, working around the circumference and avoiding metal tools that can bend contacts. Once clear, dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl and touch the metal contacts lightly to remove oil. Finally, you reboot the device and insert a known good earphone to test audio continuity and mechanical fit. Listen for balanced sound and a secure click. If sound cuts in and out, inspect the earphone plug for bent sections or dirt and clean the plug contacts with alcohol. If the problem remains, loose jack, broken internal connector, or corrosion, make sure to back up data, then opt for port replacement or professional repair. This avoids damaging the motherboard and preserves long-term function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.